Electricity costs continue to rise, and many homeowners are looking for smarter, more energy-efficient ways to light up their outdoor spaces. That's where solar lights come in. From gardens and driveways to patios and walkways, solar lights promise bright illumination without increasing your electricity bill. But are they actually worth buying? In today's video, we'll take a closer look at how modern solar lights work, their key features, real-world advantages, possible drawbacks, and what you should look for before making a purchase. Let's get started. Design and build quality. One of the first things you'll notice is how much solar lights have improved over the past few years. Most modern models feature durable ABS plastic or aluminum construction with weather-resistant designs. Many are rated IP65 or higher, meaning they can withstand rain, dust, snow, and harsh outdoor conditions. Installation is also incredibly simple. Since they don't require electrical wiring, most solar lights can be mounted on a wall or placed in the ground within just a few minutes. That makes them a great option for homeowners who want an easy DIY lighting solution. Brightness and lighting performance. Brightness is one of the biggest factors when choosing a solar light. Different models produce different amounts of light, measured in lumens. Decorative garden lights usually provide a soft ambient glow, while security-focused solar lights can deliver several hundred or even thousands of lumens. Many premium models also include wide-angle LED panels that cover a much larger area compared to older designs. Some even feature adjustable brightness levels, allowing you to balance lighting performance with battery life. For pathways and gardens, moderate brightness is usually enough. However, if security is your priority, choosing a higher lumen model will provide much better visibility at night. Battery life and charging. One of the biggest advantages of solar lights is that they recharge automatically during the day. On a sunny day, most models reach a full charge within 6 to 8 hours. Depending on battery capacity and brightness settings, they can provide anywhere from 8 to 12 hours of nighttime lighting. Of course, weather conditions play an important role. Cloudy days and shaded installation areas may reduce charging efficiency and shorten operating time. For the best performance, it's important to install the solar panel where it receives direct sunlight throughout the day. Smart features. Today's solar lights offer much more than simple on and off lighting. Many models now include motion sensors that automatically increase brightness when movement is detected. This feature helps improve home security while also extending battery life. Some products also offer 3 different lighting modes, including continuous lighting, motion-activated lighting, and dim light standby mode. These smart features allow users to customize the light according to their needs. Pros and cons. So, what are the biggest advantages? Solar lights require no electricity, making them energy efficient and environmentally friendly. They're easy to install, require very little maintenance, and can significantly improve outdoor safety and appearance. However, they aren't perfect. Performance depends heavily on sunlight. If your installation area stays shaded most of the day, battery charging will be limited. Lower quality models may also lose brightness after extended use, so choosing a well-reviewed product from a trusted brand is always recommended. So, are solar lights worth buying? For most homeowners, the answer is yes. If you're looking for an affordable way to improve outdoor lighting without increasing your electricity bill, a quality solar light is an excellent investment. Just make sure to choose a model with a durable waterproof design, efficient solar panel, good battery capacity, and bright LED output. The right solar light can provide reliable lighting, improve home security, and reduce energy costs for years to come. If you'd like to check today's prices, read customer reviews, or compare some of the best solar lights available, you'll find all the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.